Do you have thin hair, short hair, perhaps alopecia, and would you like to mask it? Today I'm going to be showing you a way to make your hair look fuller. If you're interested, please keep on watching to the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use hair extensions to make your hair look fuller in a not so obvious way. Please stick around to the end. So you'll be needing clipping extensions, a flat iron, a tail comb, and a hairbrush. I think the video is self-explanatory, so I wouldn't be saying much. So just enjoy the video and please watch to the end. So in my previous video, I spoke about reasons why I want to stop using protective hairstyles. And I'll just say one reason, and the remaining reasons you can find out in the video. So I want to stop wearing protective hairstyles because I have traction alopecia, and I feel my improper use of protective hairstyles have cost me my edges. So in order for the traction alopecia not to progress any further, I would like to stop using hair extensions, but I can't stop abruptly, so I'm going to gradually wean myself off hair extensions. So I'm still using hair extensions for little pieces here and there, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm still incorporating hair extensions, but not as elaborate. This is like one of the hairstyles I'm using to wean myself off hair extensions. If this is your first time checking out my channel is all about disproving or confirming hair myths. I intend to experiment a lot with my hair. I intend to experiment with hair products and with different methods. So I'm going to be telling you the hair theories or hair fads that are authentic and those that are outright nonsense. I intend to be your guinea pig. So if you're interested in such content, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have. Thank you. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. And if you enjoyed the video, I think you also enjoy my video on how to install ponytail, especially for those that have lost their edges. So please, I've linked it in the cards. Just click on it and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have you subscribed? You just did right. see you next time.